Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change vendor name in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to products option, and here you can see there are multiple products available here. So simply what you need to do, just you have to open any product that you want to change the vendor name. So simply just you have to open a single product, and here under these instructions here you can see the vendor option is available here. So now here you can change the vendor name, and after that just click on save button and wait for few seconds. So now you have successfully changed your vendor name. So as you can see, this is available here. So in this way you can easily change vendor name in Shopify.